Hi, this is just a short video about how to use the library's reference builder. So I logged into the library's webpage and I looked for this book, The Good Research Guide for Small-Scale Social Research Projects. Now, first I would like to show you what not to do actually here. So once you find a book that you want to reference, you can see this cite this item button. But I would recommend not using it because it is very often incorrect. So unless you are 100% sure that you would recognize what is the problem, then I would recommend not using it. Instead, what you would need to do is come to the main page of the library, and here under your studies you see referencing. Now if you click on this, you scroll down, you can see that there are all sorts of different types of sources that you can help with this reference builder. But one of the most frequently used types of source is books. So let's click on books, and you can see that there are all sorts of different types of books that you can reference. Now, what you need to use from here generally is either a book, the first one, or the third one, chapter from an edited book. Just in case you're not sure what the difference is between a book and an edited book, here's an example. Okay, right. So, research methods in education. This is a book. Here are the three authors, and if you take a look at the content page, then you see that actually the whole book was written by these three people. Each and every chapter was written by these three people. However, in an edited book, in the front page you will see that editor or editors, depending on how many people edited that book. Okay, and then when you look at the content page, you will see that the different chapters are written by different people. For example, part 1, chapter 2 was written by Erickson or Olsen or Kovac and whatnot. So this is an edited book. And the reason this is important for us is because you have to reference it differently. Okay, so a book, chapter from an edited book, and don't use the edited book. Right. Now, some people have asked me about how to reference an e-book, and it says electronic book. So you just click on electronic book. Okay, here a few examples are given, but if you scroll down here, you have the reference builder, and it tells you the information you need to collect in order to be able to build your reference. You need the author, the title, the year of publication, and you will need a DOI number. Well, I think it's not always easy to find the DOI number, so if you click on no, then you are asked to provide what is this? Oh yeah, the URL for this book. Now, coming back here, then the Good Research Guide, I've already looked it up. So the Good Research Guide for Small-Scale Research Projects. Now, I will show you how to reference this as an ebook. Okay, so it's Danscom, Martin Danscom. You just have to put a capital M, and you don't need to put any punctuation mark because the reference builder will do it automatically for you. Danscom. And as you can see, the reference builder has started building your references here. Title of the book, The Good Research Guide for Small-Scale Social Research Project. Okay, now as you can see it from the title, this book has a main title, The Good Research Guide, and then a subtitle for Small-Scale Social Research Projects. Now, in the reference, the way you have to represent this, that you have to separate with a colon. you have to separate the main title from the subtitle using a colon, year of publication. If I'm not mistaken, this was the 5th edition, so I think it is, yeah, 2014. That's what we need here. So 2014, and this would be the and this would be the URL. And now once you've got the URL, you can see that the background in this box has turned white. All you need to do is just to copy and then paste this into a document. Once you put enter, another thing that you need to do is right click and remove hyperlink, because you should not actually put hyperlinks in your final reference list. However, to be honest, I would still reference this just as a normal book. Okay, you can do that. So this is how you reference an ebook, but if you come back to books, you come back to book, you scroll down, you have the same thing, Martin. Title of the book is still the same, year of publication, 2014. Edition is, if not first, you just type in the number, place of publication. I think it's London, and I think it's Sage, or maybe Sage. And again, here you've got the final referencing. Okay, so this is how you should use the library's web page to reference. Okay, I hope this helped. Thanks for watching. Bye.